Hello and welcome to Kanen Coffee Espresso Machines. Today we're testing this beautiful Pavoni espresso machine. We did a tune-up on this machine and replaced some other parts. The pins and the lever were all rusty, so we replaced those. The bolts were all rusty, so we replaced those. The cap was melted, we replaced that. And there's also an insert in the back that was melted here where the tube had actually fallen out due to being melted. And it was rattling around in the tank, so we replaced that too. So let's go ahead and test the machine. Missed a cup a little, but you can see we get a nice shot of espresso. So thank you for watching with Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, subscribe to our channel. And let's just test the steam quick. Nice strong steam. Thank you.